Белоруссия стратегический партнер и надежный союзник России. Наши страны объединяют братские отношения.
Situations on the Union state perimeter has sharply deteriorated due to vividly hostile activities of NATO. Since February last year, the number of troops in Eastern Europe and the Baltic states has risen by 2.5 times and exceeded 30,000 people. More than half of them are members of the military from the United States of America. Finland's joining the alliance and carrying out of joint events in Sweden have created yet another point of tension. In the near future, we are not ruling out the possibility of placing coalition military bases on their territories and various strike weapons. The supply of tactical F-16 jets to Kyiv is imminent. The supply is expected next year. In response to those threats, we are taking appropriate measures. We are reinforcing our western borders.
Укрепляем наши западные рубежи. В заседании подведем итоги совместной деятельности за прошедший год и определим